Okay, we're going to breakfast in Cinderella. Whee! This is a test drive.
I get to wear a seatbelt.
Yeah, I don't have a seatbelt. I just get to live in mortal fear. It's funny.
Right.
When I was a kid, I grew up with no seatbelts because they hadn't been invented yet.
That's right.
That's what it is like when you're old folks. But now that I'm grown up, I'm sort of used to having seatbelts.
Yeah.
And now I have to get used to not having them again.
Feel a little naked without them.
Doesn't she sound better?
Doesn't she sound great? Open your vent window.
Yeah. My air conditioner right there.
That's right. Check mailboxes on the way back. Just make sure they're full.
Yeah.
Try to stay within the speed limit.
Yeah, you never know. I don't know why the cops like our neighborhood so much. They probably know there's an outlaw rant rod guy that lives in the neighborhood and they hang out here all the time. We have to kind of behave, otherwise we get arrested and have to go to jail. And I just can't get a lot of work done when you're in jail, you know. That's been my experience anyway. Of course, I could show them my New York Police Department shirt. You think that'd get me anywhere? I doubt it.
Start sitting up here. Okay, let's get it.
Look at her. She's using the gear. She's gearing it down like a truck driver.
She sounds
You hear that double clutching? This girl knows how to drive.
I grew up in these babies.
That's sweet.
Morris Minor up and down the hill in the backyard. Oh
Morris
my goodness.
Minor. You drove a Morris Minor.
I did.
Pretty rare car in this country.
Little black thing.
Might actually get a parking space.
That one was bigger, but anyway, way down here.
Put it wherever you feel most comfortable with it. Yeah.
I still want to turn that thing more.
Yeah.
One turn, that's it.